driving modes. The Alpine A110 gives you a selection of 3 preset driving modes, chosen by touch control on the steering wheel. The default setting is normal mode, and this offers the best blend of safety, pleasure, and fuel economy. Sport mode is confirmed by a message on the instrument panel. The animation and display on the instrument cluster has been specifically designed. This mode affects engine management, assisted steering patterns, speed of gear changes, engine sound, and the responsiveness of the electronic accelerator. At the same time, the triggering of the ESC is delayed. Track mode is activated by pressing and holding the control on the steering wheel. This is reserved for use on a race circuit. In this mode, the driver uses the paddles on the steering wheel. It means faster gear changes and considerably delays the innovation of the electronic assistance systems. The message ESC track appears on the instrument cluster, where the display shows histograms rather than circular counters.